With just one prompt, Copilot in Word can draft an entire newsletter. Let me show you how. I want to make a newsletter for my book club for the first time. I'm not sure where to start, so I'll ask Copilot to help get things going with a prompt like, create a monthly book club newsletter with sections for upcoming reads, meeting dates, a featured quote, and announcements. Keep it warm and modern. Copilot quickly creates a full first draft with organized sections. Now, I want to update this with the actual details about our book club. I have some notes in another doc already, so I can ask Copilot, use the information from the attached notes to update this newsletter. Keep the formatting and tone consistent. Copilot pulls the relevant information into the draft for me, so I don't have to copy and paste everything manually. Once the content is done, I can turn this into something that really looks like a newsletter. For example, make this feel like a cottagecore book club newsletter. Soft pastel colors, elegant or whimsical headings, clean body text, and a polished but cute look. Avoid fonts that feel too modern or corporate. And Copilot reformats everything so it looks and feels much more like what I had in mind. Copilot in Word helps you draft, update, and format so your newsletter comes together faster. Check out the Microsoft Copilot Learning Center for more.